Hi friends, happened to visit JW for a get together where this water that was served to us, I picked up a bottle back home just to check how better is this. It says Kelzai volcanic water still exclusively bottled for JW Marriott, natural mineral water. I just wanted to check how different is this from the energy company Kangen water that we consume at home. So just got it back home. Let's see how it goes. So here I have taken two glasses. एक में हम डालेंगे ये हमारा Kelzai water जो हमें JW से मिला था. I'll just pour this a little in this glass, and in the other glass obviously yes I'll pour the Enache Kangen water. What I'm going to do here is just check the quality of this water. How are we going to do this is with this pH drops. हमने स्कूल में लिटमस पेपर यूज़ किया है. दिस इज़ a liquid form of that. It's the pH drops which helps us to know whether the water that we are having is acidic or alkaline. हम पहले से डालेंगे ये Kelzai water में, and then next we put it in the Enache Kangen water. So absolutely here we see while I put the drops, this is green, it's 7 pH water. However, yes, we know the water that we have, it's a bottled water. We know the harmful effects of the bottled water that we have. So this is what it gives us. But here, just as a click of a button, again here we can very easily get the alkaline water, which is good for our health, keeps our body healthy. So absolutely yes, that's the difference that we can have by having this water at home. बाहर हम जाएंगे तो obviously yes, you will not be able to avoid having this water because this is the one that we have been served there. It's absolutely fine. I'm not that stubborn where I do not want to have this water. I have the water there, but then what I can surely do is once I come back home, I have this water at home. मैंने ये पानी पिया है, so obviously yes, my body has gone through the effects of having the bottled water. Once I come back home, I have the alkaline water from my device. Let's see what happens here. It turns blue. It absolutely yes turns blue, and it makes my body alkaline and making it healthy. So मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि अब कहाँ भी जाएंगे तो इस पानी को अब कैरी करो. नॉट पॉसिबल एवरीवेयर. एज मच एज पॉसिबल येस वी कैन कैरी इट, बट इफ नॉट वी कैन हैव दिस वाटर. बट वंस वी कम बैक होम एंड इफ वी हैव दिस वाटर एट होम, इट हेल्प्स अस to make our body healthy. Just by having this water back home, it keeps our body healthy and back to origin the way it should be. Thank you so much. What I'm also doing here is checking the ORP of the water. हमें पता है ये ORP meter है, oxidation reduction potential. This device also helps us to know whether this water that we are consuming is healthy for us or not. जैसे मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियोस में भी बताया था, even 1 point negative is good for our health. It keeps our body healthy. 1 point even positive, it is not good for our health. It doesn't give any health benefits to our body. So I'll just put this device in each of the water. इसमें हमारा वो पानी है जो हमने बताया था, हमने JW Marriott से लाया था, Kelzai water. Once I put it in it, it goes towards positive. There's no sign towards it, so it's around 200, which is in positive. And then when I dip it in the Kangen water, it automatically shifts to negative, which is more than 500. So this shows how healthy the water is. So yes, absolutely, you can make your choice, change your water, change your life.